Hi, today we are going to learn how to use Kahoot. Kahoot is a really nice tool that students love to use because they can play with a team or they can play in class by themselves individually. So this is the way we can come in to Kahoot. So the only thing you need is to have an email address and to write a password for it. I already did. That's why I just log in with the email. So we're going to wait. So this is how Kahoot looks. Um, we are going to use the free version. So here you have the information and here you have the Kahoots you create. So I will show you how to create new Kahoots. So this is the home and you can check up all the features that this tool give us. So we're going to start and we're going to create a new game. So you will create a new Kahoot. You can teach with slides. You can Kahoot for formative assessment, practice spelling and editing with puzzles. Students selfie Kahoot and get to know your teacher. So we're going to use today this template. We're going to start for a free trial. Remember, we are using the free plan. That's why we cannot. So we're going to start with Kahoot. I will show you which one. So we are going to create here a new Kahoot. So here you can start typing your question. If you see, it says click to start typing your question. So I will write, what is the past tense of sleep? Okay. So you add here the answers, sleep. First you have to write wrong answers, slept. We're going to write slept with two E's. And we're going to write sleepy. So you have to choose the correct answer. This is the correct answer. Also you can upload images. Here you just click on upload images and you have to click on the one you want and then you open the file, the picture, and the image will be uploaded. You decide how many points you give. If you want to give more points, it's up to you, or 0 points. You decide. Something went wrong, maybe the image is too big. So you can also put a YouTube link and you decide the time, 30 seconds, 60. So I will put 10. So you add the question. So you decide if it's a quiz, true or false, open-ended, puzzle, poll, or slide. Remember, this one that has the crown, you cannot use them because they are not free. So we can go and we can continue with the next one. So now that we have another question, you ask for it. So what is the past of go? So you write the answers. Went, this is the correct option. Go going, and let's write was going, the past of go. So you choose the correct answer, you can upload an image and you can give more points to that and remember the time. So you add the question, remember it's a quiz. So when you have all the questions there, you can put here that it's done. So you have to save anyway. I will save it because the images were not correct. So we're going to keep as a draft here. And we are going to check what happened here. So let's see, let's write saving, validating Kahoot questions missing, 2 answers missing, correct answer not select. So you have to add more questions here. I did not make the question, so I will erase it. I will delete. and it's done. So the title will be past tense verbs. So you can continue. If you want to add a description, you can use it, or if you don't, you can do it. So it is done, the game is done, and it's ready to use it. So you can start playing with your students whenever you want. So this is a great tool that you can use, and your students will love it. They like to make reviews with this. My students love to make reviews here. So I hope this information helps you to start creating kahoots.